Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tickets from Zendesk to HubSpot CRM, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer tickets from Zendesk to HubSpot CRM, you will first need to set up both accounts. Log in to your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin panel found on the left sidebar. Select API under the Channels section. Enable the Zendesk API if it isn't already enabled. Next, generate an API token for secure integration. Copy the API token and store it safely for later use. Now, log into your HubSpot account. Go to the HubSpot app marketplace. Search for a Zendesk integration app. Install the integration app that fits your needs. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Zendesk and HubSpot. Once connected, open the integration settings. Choose the specific data you wish to sync, focusing on tickets. Select the mapping options to ensure ticket fields match between the two platforms. Test the integration to verify the connection is successful. Begin the import process for your Zendesk tickets. Monitor the import progress and address any potential errors. Once the import is completed, check your HubSpot CRM for the new tickets. Review the ticket data to ensure all information is accurately transferred. Make any necessary adjustments to ticket details directly in HubSpot. Ensure that all team members are informed of the new setup. Regularly sync tickets between Zendesk and HubSpot as needed for ongoing operations. That concludes the guide on transferring tickets from Zendesk to HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.